How you use Naver app in South Korea. Open Google Maps. Search destination. Long tap on name and select copy name. Open Naver app. Long tap and paste address copied from Google Maps. Delete to leave only Korean characters. Tap on destination. Select by car, on foot, or by public transportation. You can collapse metro stops to see stations' names. Major destinations such as airports or shops do not require this. You can select only Metro Bus or default mix, faster option. Enjoy your Korea travel with Naver app. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you like.